Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create an email signature in the new Outlook app. So let's get straight into it. And the first thing you'll need to do is just launch up Microsoft Outlook. And from here, we're going to head over to the settings cog in the top right hand side, come over to accounts from the left, and then select signatures. Now, if you have multiple email addresses in your Outlook account, you'll first just need to select where you want this signature to be applied to. There should be a drop down that appears somewhere at the top here. If you just have the one email account like myself, then we could just get straight into creating the signature. So first, if we come down, we're just going to give our signature a name. Now this is just for our own personal reference. So I'll be calling this signature number 1. Then in the big field of text at the bottom, this is where we're going to design our signature. So you could put something like your name in here, as well as a phone number. And we can also add a link if you had a website that you wanted to attach. Just come over to the 3 horizontal dots and select Insert Link. Then we can type the address to our website. And you can also change how this displays. So I can just put in my site, click OK. As you can see, that's now inserted their link into the signature. And we can also add an image as well. If we come down to the bottom left and select Insert Picture, then you can add your logo or something like that to the bottom. And if it comes out too big, you can always just resize it by using these edges and just dragging them to resize it accordingly. And of course, you've got all of the standard formatting options down here like bold and italics. And once you've finished setting up your signature, we just need to scroll down to the bottom and hit save. Once you've saved your signature, we're then going to come into select default signatures at the bottom here, and you can decide where you want these signatures to be displayed. So if I go ahead and select my signature for new messages, that means every time we compose a message in Outlook, the signature is going to be attached. And we can also do the same for when we reply to emails by selecting our signature down here and pressing save. Now, if I head back over to my email client and come over to new email, you can see right at the bottom down here, we now have our email signature attached. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you create an email signature inside of the new Outlook. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.